Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add text in Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. At first open your project. Now in the toolbar, click on the type tool or simply press T on your keyboard. Now click anywhere on the program monitor and start typing your text. A new text layer will automatically be created in your timeline. Go to the Essential Graphics panel. Here you can change the font, size, color, and alignment. Use the selection tool to move or resize your text on the screen. So that's it. You have added text to your video in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.